In my typical format, guys, I forgot I had a Zoom call, which is right now. We're in the middle of pretty much the ocean. I guess I'm gonna hop on. I've got service, and let's do the Zoom call from the boat right here. It's time, guys. We're gonna take the boat right now. There we go, step one. I'm geared up. I'm ready to go to Secret Beach. Sunscreen, hat, everything we need. We're going to check out the Secret Beach marketplace, which the owner wants to list right now. We're heading over, we'll get you all the details. We're gonna take Belize Vice. You know it's nicer on the boat. This is the conditions that you want when you're out here, guys. This is like flat water. It looks like glass. It's a little bit overcast, but it brings this kind of light atmosphere. Boating over here it's honestly surreal. And we're just on the coastline of Secret Beach here. You can see Blue Bayou to our right. Lewis, how are you? Good, man. You're in the video now, bro. Saving our lives. Famous Lewis.
Riding in style?
Riding in style, VIP only here, guys. Let's go see the marketplace. So quick thank you to Lewis for getting us over here. He works on the construction management team in the Secret Beach area. We just pulled up to the marketplace. You can see behind me, Secret Beach Market. Now, to give you guys a little bit of a market analysis on these roadside lots, and really the Secret Beach area in general, a lot of the appreciation in the initial phase when people started coming here occurred on the beachfront. Obviously, higher demand, a lot of people went in, they wanted to buy the beach up, that drove prices up. What wasn't really as sought after in the initial phase was the main road to Secret Beach. So these lots have been and continue to be a great investment. Going alongside the main road, you have access to all the traffic. This commercial structure right here has 2 of these units are currently leased out. There's 3 units. Right now they're renting for about 800 US a month, and that's a net lease. So great opportunity. They're off grid, not many cash flowing properties, but come on in, guys. Let's go take a look around here. So these are fully equipped already with solar. They've got a bathroom unit in the back. They have enough battery power right now to essentially run basic stuff. What I would recommend if someone was acquiring this would be to maybe bolster the solar a little bit, but the reality is they're good to go as is with the utilities in place. So coming in, they're very basic shed roof. If I had to estimate, they're about a couple hundred square feet. And coming in, you can get an idea of what the units are. We'll show you an open unit to really get a feel for the space. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about these, $235,000 is the listing price. Main road, they're ready to go. A couple of them are leased already, so it's a cash flowing opportunity, which a lot of people ask us for. Here's one right here, guys. Secret Beach area, up and coming area with appreciation. Let's take a walk over here and see if this one's open. We're switching to the POV wide angle lens here. So this is what the units look like in here. You might get a little bit of an echo, but really basic commercial bays, and you can do so much with these. If we come out here, say hi to Divya, everyone, you'll see golf carts going by. I don't have an exact number of how many tourists are going to Secret Beach every day. What I can tell you is the island is the #1 tourism destination, and it's absolutely within the hundreds. If you come out here at about 5 o'clock, you'll see golf carts. You can see a few on the horizon over there. Not sure if the video got them, but you'll see a lot of golf carts over here. Loaded back up right now from the water park, and Secret Beach is bumping today. Great vibes, beautiful day. Don't know what else you can say other than it's a great place to be, guys. Excited about this water park. Let's get back. In my typical format, guys, I forgot I had a Zoom call, which is right now. We're in the middle of pretty much the ocean. I guess I'm gonna hop on. I've got service, and let's do the Zoom call from the boat right here. Technical difficulties. This might be the first ever Zoom over here. I think people are about to laugh at me. This might be a first ever for Google Meeting. Well, I had a bit of a slow time getting back from where we were filming today, and now I'm currently sitting on the boat out here. I'm not sure if you can see my camera. That was a first time for me. Zoom meeting on the boat. Really great stuff, and I think we should do this more often. I'm gonna recommend anyone who has access to boating and Zooming. This is the future. All these, you know, green screen background Zooms, all these, you know, putting an image in behind you. I'm not doing it anymore. It's the real deal or nothing now, guys. Belize Zoom. Now we're ripping back. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you have any questions about today's video, don't forget, throw them in the comment section, like and subscribe. We really appreciate you following along with everything going on the YouTube channel. If you haven't already and you're looking to get more information on Belize real estate, check out our book, The Investor's Guide to Belize Real Estate. It's available on Amazon. In it, we detail all the different things you want to know before making a purchase. Don't forget to say goodbye to Chewy. And as always, guys, we can't wait to see you down here in paradise.